As per the request of our digital community, we have decided to do market analysis video and share investing and trading strategies via YouTube. In this video, we are going to analyze past 1 week movement of Nifty. We'll see price action and all that stuff, and also we will analyze some of the stocks which are manifesting good patterns. Additionally, we will also see some of the good stocks which are trading at its 52-week low. Before we get into the analysis, let me make this point clear. Trading in stock market is just like doing a business. There can be ups and downs in your portfolio, but you should be consistent in stock market. Then only you can become a profitable trader or a good investor in long term. And also consider taking a trade as flipping a coin. Either your analysis may work or you may end up losing. So how can you bias this coin towards the profitable side? It's by having a good risk reward, maintaining a good psychology, and also having a good trading plan. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started.
In this analysis, we are going to see past 1 week movement of Nifty. We will go day by day and we will try to predict Nifty's movement on next day. So Nifty was in a complete bull rally and it did consolidate in second week of September. Monday also it was totally in range, but you could have easily shorted in morning hour itself. There was a clear trend line over here and it did break in first hour. So Nifty was taking resistance from this zone and it has been tested multiple times. So Monday, if it opens flat and crosses this level, we'll plan to buy. And also Nifty has taken support from this region. Even on Monday, the Nifty broke this trend line and took a support and bounced back from this zone. So we'll plan to sell only if Nifty crosses breaks this support. So it's advised not to trade short because by the time Nifty reaches this level, most of its momentum will be lost. So we'll only plan for a buy trade on Tuesday. It's always good when a stock or a market starts to consolidate because the more it consolidates, the more it will move after the breakout. So can you name a stock which was in a great consolidation and did break with immense strength? Please do write in comments. Okay, let's see what happened on Tuesday. Tuesday market opened with a gap and did take support of this gap. So there are two things you should remember. Market don't like gaps, and also gaps acts as a support and resistance. Okay, so market did take support multiple times and did break, giving us a good shorting opportunity. It took support on the region that we discussed before, and the previous area of resistance had become area of support. And also we can see a clear triangle pattern. So we'll execute a buy order as soon as this pattern breaks and execute a short order sell order as soon as this area of support breaks. You should also consider this area of resistance while buying. Wednesday also market did open gap up and gave a good rally. You could have executed a buy order as soon as it broke previous day high. So it broke previous day high, took support, then moved up by forming higher highs and higher lows. So you should the thing you should remember is previous day high, low and close will act as support and resistance. Okay. It's important you mark this level before market opens. What we can expect for the next day? Market did took a support from this region, not a great support, but had tested 3 times in 5-minute candle, and so we'll execute a buy order as soon as it opens flat and crosses this level. If it opens a huge gap up, it will may take support and then move back. And will not plan for selling because there is a many round levels like 17,500 and the good support level is far below. So by the time market reaches this level, it will lose its momentum. If it opens gap down also, it may take support and there will be consolidation in this region. So it is not good to trade in situations like that. So we'll plan for buying as soon as it breaks this level. Thursday was a very good day as market showed many key points of price action. The market did open gap up and this gap acted as resistance. The gap, this resistance broke and the gap was filled very quickly, and the previous day close acted as a resistance. and the market tested the day's high again. It fell back and retested. Okay, you could have executed a buy order as soon as this level broke, and it took support from the same level and then moved up. So day's high acted as support and resistance on. Okay, and previous day close also acted as an area of support. So these are the key things you should remember, that as I discussed, previous day high, close and low will act as a support and resistance, and day's high and low will act as an support and resistance. So what we can expect from the market for Friday? So as in previous day, market moved up, took a resistance from this region. So if market opens flat and crosses this level, we'll go for a trade in buy side. Will not plan for sell side as the support level is around this region. So by the market comes up to this, it will lose its momentum, and if it opens a gap down almost in this region, it will start to consolidate, giving us no trend. So we'll plan for buying as soon as it crosses this level. Okay. On Friday also, market opened gap up, and this gap acted as an support. It bounced back from this support of gap and breaking the day's high. It moved up and it had a reversal almost from 17,800. You could have easily shorted in this region as there was a gap pending, and the gap had already given an support. So when it breaks, it will fill the gap with great speed. As I mentioned, market don't like gaps. Okay, and it was almost consolidating in previous day close, and it broke again, took a support about previous day close, and then went out. So what we can expect for Monday? We will execute a buy trade as soon as it breaks this level. Also you should consider this resistance level also, and we'll plan for selling only if the market goes below this region, breaks previous day close. Okay, next let's see some of the stocks which are trading almost 20%, less than 20% away from its 52-week low. So these are the stock and whose market cap is more than 5,000 and has given in 5-year average return on equity greater than 15%. So you can analyze the stock and consider it. Okay, let's see some of the stocks which show good patterns. First is Aarti Industries. Aarti Industries is in a good channel pattern. If it takes support from this region and moves up, shows a good pattern, it can go up. Then we have Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor was in a good upper triangle pattern, as you can see, and if it has already given breakout and it took a support and moved up. 2990 is an important level for Eicher Motor. It may go up to this and reverse, or it may break out. So you can plan trade accordingly. Then we have Happiest Minds. Happiest Minds is taking support from has been taking support from this trend line. If you go to smaller time frame also, it has been taking a support. So if it breaks this level, it can go up. Okay, then we have IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, if you go to a weekly time frame, it has been taking support from this region. Same is the case in Federal Bank. In Federal Bank, it has not given a breakout, but in IndusInd Bank, it has almost given a breakout, and also it has crossed 200 EMA in weekly time frame. So you can expect a good move, and you can hold IndusInd Bank in for long term. It's the weekly time frame. Okay, then REC Limited, if you go to a daily time frame, it is in a clear ascending triangle. If it breaks this level, it can go up. Then we have Balakrishna Industries. A good pattern is forming in Balakrishna Industries. if we go to an hourly time frame also, it's forming a good channel pattern like this. So if it breaks this level, it can go up. Then we have India Bulls Real Estate. It's forming a descending triangle. If it breaks this level, it can go up to here, up to this level, or if it moves up, we have multiple targets. And
so hope you enjoyed this video. You must have learned a lot of things from the analysis. We will be posting more fundamental and technical analysis video in this channel. So please do like and subscribe if you appreciate our effort. And also if you still don't know about our community, we have given link in description. And let me be clear, in our community, people don't wait for calls or tips. We want to be self-efficient investors and we want to be better investors and traders every day. So that's it. Bye.